made for the average, the unambitious, and everyone in between. This podcast takes the art of underachievement to a whole new level. I'm Maxwell Easley, your mediocre average host presenting demotivational, uninspirational, and disappointing affirmations and wisdom to help you embrace mediocrity in a world obsessed with success. Dive into a world where mediocrity is not just accepted, it's celebrated. Welcome to today's episode, where we explore the nuanced strategy of minimal hope investment to maximize the dividends of contentment. It's an examination of how cautious optimism in the marketplace of emotions can lead to a rich portfolio of peace and fulfillment. Acknowledging the highs and lows of the emotional stock market, let's create a safe space to discuss the value of tempering our investments of hope. It's not about hardening our hearts, but about nurturing a sustainable path to joy, one that's less susceptible to the volatile swings of disappointment. Here's my truth. I've walked the tightrope between hope and expectation, finding that a modest investment often yields the most reliable returns. Contentment in what is, rather than despair in what isn't. It's a realization that joy can be found in the dividends of the present, not just in the speculative gains of the future. Let me share a story with you. Once, buoyed by boundless hope, I found myself over-leveraged in the market of dreams, only to face the downturn of reality. It was a sobering moment that taught me the wisdom of restraint, the value of investing hope in manageable portions, allowing me to enjoy the steady interest of simple pleasures and everyday victories. Now, I'm curious about your journey. Have you ever adjusted your emotional investments, finding a balance that guards against the depths of disappointment while still allowing for the joy of anticipation? Let's move forward with the understanding that in the economy of hope, a cautious investor often finds the greatest wealth in the currency of the present, building a portfolio rich in contentment and peace. And here's a thought to leave you with a smile. If life is a market, then maybe the best investment we can make is in the savings account of the present, where the interest rate of happiness always beats inflation. Slothous regards, your average host, Maxwell Easley. Remember, for more average and mediocre stuff, make sure to check out my Linktree. You'll find the link in the description. This is a parody, satire, and comedy podcast, so laugh your ass off, not work your ass off. P.S. Make sure to check out my Linktree for more average and mediocre stuff I create. You'll find the link in the description.